A good night's sleep is just as important as regular exercise and having a healthy diet. Research shows that poor sleep has immediate negative effects on your brain function, exercise performance, and hormones. Other negative effects of poor sleep include weight gain and an increase in certain diseases. If you want to optimize your health or lose weight, getting a good night's sleep is one of the most important things you can do. Welcome to Life Hacks for Humans. Before we jump into it, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every single day, even on weekends, is the best way to reinforce your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Getting in sync with this cycle is one of the most important strategies for getting better sleep. This will give you a better quality of sleep, leaving you more refreshed and energized than if you had slept the same number of hours at different times. If you find it hard to go to sleep at the same time every night, creating a wind-down routine will help prepare your body for rest and condition your brain for sleep. Stick to activities that promote relaxation, such as gentle stretching, writing in a journal, or reading. Basically, the total opposite of surfing YouTube and binging on Netflix. #The struggle is real. Light and darkness are powerful cues that tell your body it's time to rest or get you ready for a productive day. So when it comes to getting a good rest, light is the enemy. Artificial light sends signals to the brain and suppresses the sleep-inducing hormone melatonin. Try to limit television and screen time before bed. These activities will limit melatonin production and make it harder to go to sleep. A melatonin supplement is an easy way to improve sleep quality and fall asleep faster. Also, melatonin not only helps you fall asleep, it also helps you stay asleep, so using a sleeping mask or blackout curtains can upgrade your sleep greatly. Everyone loves a good nap. They boost alertness and lower stress, but they can also dramatically affect your overall sleep. 2 important keys to napping successfully. Keep naps short, and time them correctly. When done the right way, naps can enhance daytime brain function. Longer naps, however, can harm health and sleep quality. They should be no more than 30 minutes, so that they don't cause grogginess. The best time to nap is around the middle of the day when you experience your natural energy dip, usually around 1 to 3 p.m. Napping any later or for a long time could affect nighttime sleep and is generally not recommended for those who struggle with insomnia. Research has shown that the optimal temperature for a restful sleep is between 60 to 70 degrees. Of course, this varies from person to person. Our body temperature actually drops while sleeping, so lower temperatures are thought to give you deeper sleep. Test different temperatures to find out which is most comfortable for you. Around 70 degrees Fahrenheit is a good place to start. Use mattress, pillows, and sheets that promote airflow and help you sleep cool through the night. Breathable fabrics like cotton will help balance temperatures and remove moisture, so you're less prone to overheat or feel too cool. It's normal to wake briefly during the night. Here are a couple ways to get back to sleep. If you've been awake for more than 15 minutes, get out of bed and do a quiet, non-stimulating activity, such as reading a book, listening to a podcast, or taking a hot bath. Keep the lights dim and avoid using your phone so as not to cue your body that it's time to wake up. You may think that these tips seem like common sense, but considering all of these factors before bed will be a challenge for most. Try to pick just one area to work on. With time, you'll see the benefits of getting a good night's rest won't just be a dream. Good job, human. You've been upgraded. Do you wish to continue your optimization?